Welcome to SM City Santo Tomas, nestled in the heart of Batangas, Philippines. Join us on a soothing mall walking tour as we explore this vibrant shopping haven. As you step inside, the cool air embraces you, and the scent of freshly brewed coffee lingers. The wide aisles invite leisurely strolls, adorned with colorful storefronts and twinkling lights. Discover hidden corners, a cozy nook for book lovers, a serene garden terrace, and a fountain where wishes come alive. Pause at the food court, where flavors from around the world converge. Savor local delicacies or indulge in international cuisine. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss a single step of this captivating journey. So, lace up your sneakers, take a deep breath, and let's embark on a relaxing mall walking tour at SM City Santo Tomas. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss a single step on the next captivating journey.